Hi guys! I'm here at ECO Marikina. Yan, makikita mo rito ang daming packages. Ready to ship sa international and local business partners natin. Yan, grabe. Million worth of products. Yan. So, meron din tayong food dito sa side na to. So, if you want to have your own business, yan, wala pa siyang laman at di-deliver pa. Here, yan. Online business. Dropshipping, retailing, and wholesaling. Yes. Grabe yan. So, if you want more about this business, just message me, Rain Guevara. Okay? See you in my inbox. God bless.